Thank you for signing up for 123net Home Fiber Internet. We are so excited for you to experience the fiber difference. Now that you're signed up, let's talk about what you can expect from the installation process. And don't worry, if you don't remember this, it's also conveniently located in your inbox with your sign-up confirmation. On your scheduled day, our techs will need access to the telephone poles, which typically are located in your backyard. At this time, when techs are present, please make sure that all pets are safely stowed away to ensure a safe working environment for our team. Typically, a ladder will be used to run a single fiber drop to your home. The total installation takes up to 4 hours. Once the outside work has been completed, our technicians will move to the inside to complete the final part of the installation. The last step of the installation process includes running a single fiber line to the optical network terminal and 123net provided router for Wi-Fi access. Please make sure that someone over 18 is home to let in our team member. And again, if there are any pets around, please make sure they are safely stowed away. That way we can ensure a safe environment for our team. If you have any questions during the installation process, please reach out to our customer care group at 888-440-0123, pressing 2 twice. Thank you again for signing up for 123net Home Fiber Internet. We are so excited to have you here.